What's up, guys? Today I've got my hands on the Ultrahuman Ring Air. So this is a brand new smart fitness ring. It's super premium titanium build quality and uses the latest PPG health sensors to track your daily health. Not only that, they are calling this the world's lightest sleep tracking wearable that can accurately measure your everyday health, including heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, sleep, HRV, movement, and temperatures. And if you follow the channel, you know how important sleep tracking is to me. So no doubt I have thoroughly tested the sleep tracking and look forward to sharing my thoughts on this product. Now, there is a lot to be excited about. The Ring Air is feature packed, and the brand name itself is so damn cool. Imagine when your mates ask you, is that the Samsung Galaxy Ring that you're wearing? Or is it the Aura Ring? And you get to proudly say, no mate, this is the Ultrahuman Ring Air. Now you can pick this smart ring up right now for $349 US, which is around the similar price to what we're expecting the Samsung Galaxy Ring to launch at, and a similar price to the Aura Ring. Now, I've been testing the Ultrahuman ring for a few weeks now, and this is my full review, sharing with you my thoughts on what this product is like after real-time use. Now, first of all, quick look at the box and the packaging. So you get this white box, it says Ultrahuman Ring Air, and you got a massive blow-up image of the ring itself. Let's open the box. So when you open the box, you'll see the ring presented in the center, and it does look the business when you first open the box. And when you lift the flap up, you'll see an envelope which says on there, "Hello Cyborg," and inside you will find all your paperwork, user guides, quick start guides, etc. Also, you've got a box which contains a high quality braided Type-C to Type-C cable, and then you have the charger itself. So you can see we've got a small square charger. So you plug in a Type-C cable for power, and you just place the ring on top to charge. And as soon as you place the ring, the light will start slowly flashing, and that's an indication that this ring is now charging. And it takes around 2 to 3 hours to get from 0 to 100%, but the battery will last you up to 6 days, which is quite good. Now, as soon as you place your order, you only need to select your color. You don't need to select your size, because after placing the order, you will first of all receive a ring sizing kit, inside which you will see the complete range of sizes. And there are 10 sizes to choose from, so you can just select a ring, wear it, and then you'll know which ones fits you. So my one is actually a size 9. That's what fitted me best. As soon as you select your size, you got the instructions right here. Download the smartphone app. It's called Ultrahuman app, and you scan the QR code, and then you pick the size that fits you, and then your order will be dispatched. Now let's talk design. The outer shell is made from titanium with a tungsten carbide carbon coating, making it super solid and durable for everyday use. The inner side of the ring is coated with medical grade hypoallergenic epoxy, and you can also see some of those components and internals through that transparent inner design. Now this ring is available in a few different colors, which are raw titanium, Aster black, which I have here. You've got matte gray, Bionic gold, and space silver. So I picked Aster black in size 9. The ring is very light at only 2 grams, and it's only 2.4 millimeters thin. The Ring Air is absolutely jam-packed with sensors which can track your day-to-day activities, including 24-hour heart rate. You've got blood oxygen monitoring. You also have a step counter, sleep tracker, stress monitor, and it can also monitor your skin temperature and body activities, and lots more. And what makes it more attractive is the battery life. This smart ring can last up to 6 days, which is quite impressive for its size. And as I showed you earlier, the charging dock is super compact in size, and it can charge from any USB-C power source, including a small power bank. Now the ring is super comfortable to wear. There is no vibration or sound. It just feels like a regular ring. The ring is also water resistant, so you don't need to worry about getting it wet. I've been washing my hands and taking showers with the ring on, so no issues at all. It can be worn even while swimming. Now the best thing about this ring is you don't need to do anything for it to work. All the features are on by default. As soon as you wear the ring, all your health activities are automatically being tracked. Furthermore, this smart ring connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth, and it uses Bluetooth version 5, and all your health stats are automatically synced to the smartphone app as soon as you open the app. The app itself is called the Ultrahuman app, which is available on both iPhone and Android, and it will show you all your health metrics in super detail. So let's quickly run through the app. So when you open it up, you can see at the top it says Dynamic Recovery, and if you tap on it, It will give you detailed information about your recovery, and it tells you what you need to improve on. For me, it's always going to be my sleep, as I don't usually achieve my sleep goals for various reasons. Okay, now if we go back and scroll, you can see there my actual sleep, and you can see it's given me a score. It gives you a quick summary of your sleep, including when I went to sleep. So 12:04 I went to sleep and I woke up at 7 a.m. That's 6 hours, 16 minutes, and my resting heart rate was 55 beats per minute. At this point, you don't even have to open up for more detail, but if you are a sleep freak like me and you want to know more, tap on it and check out that detailed information. That is crazy. Sleep efficiency 91%, average heart rate, you got your average HRV, and then it tells you everything in detail. So sleep efficiency, temperature, restfulness, total sleep, HR drop needs attention, timing, restoration time, and then you got your blood oxygen saturation. Now, SpO2 can't be checked manually, and it doesn't check your SpO2 throughout the day. SpO2 is only monitored whilst you're sleeping, and even that, it will only give you an average score for that sleep, for that night. And every single day when I wake up in the morning, it says average oxygen saturation 99%. So me personally, I don't think it's doing anything when it comes to SpO2, as my average is going to be a lot less than 99%. Okay, we've got sleep stages there. You've got your sleep stages, so you can see exactly how things went on. Each category has an information I next to it. So if you wanted to know what it means, it will give you an explanation, a very detailed explanation. Here's more information on the actual sleep with a full chart, 12:04 to 7 o'clock. You can see my movements and you can see the heart rate chart, and it tells you which zone was the lowest. You got your HRV zones as well. So temperature was monitored all throughout the night. 12 to 7, you can see how the temperature was going. Average was 35.89, which is fine. Now for each of these categories, you can actually tap on them to get more information. So that's with every single one. So very detailed and accurate sleep tracking in this watch. Now let's keep scrolling, show you what else you can do. Movement, 84 score so far. And you can see I've taken 601 steps. Active hours, it tells you. I literally just woke up. Total calories, active and resting, and workout frequency. You've got stress rhythm over here as well. And it gives you all information on your stress rhythm, stimulated, relaxed activity, and so on and so forth. If we go back, we've got over here a section called Quick Start where you can do breathing workouts. So all sorts of breathing workouts here. You select one and you can follow it. And then you've got actual workout section, which is in beta mode. And you can see here you've got a whole bunch of workouts that you can initiate. We've got individual markers for heart rate. So heart rate is monitored all throughout the day, and you've got your daily, weekly, monthly views, etc. Now this ring also shows you your VO2 max score, which is basically your cardiovascular fitness. Based on your activities throughout the day, it will give you a score and also let you know your cardio age. And you can see that my cardio age is a lot higher than my actual age, which means I need to improve my cardio fitness. Now the idea would be to get more active and improve your VO2 max score, and when you see it improving on a daily basis, it motivates you. It motivates you to see that your health is improving in real time and makes you want to do more to achieve better scores. I have actually improved my VO2 max score. It was a lot worse. I've improved it by going for longer walks, basically getting more active, moving around more. Now, skin temperature monitoring is monitored all throughout the day, 24/7, and detailed info can be seen by just tapping. HRV baseline and resting heart rate. It gives you some stats there. And then you got a section for goals. And you can see I've achieved 1 of 8 goals today. And that is wake up early. So I woke up, I was supposed to wake up before 7. I woke up 6:55. So I achieved that goal. My goal is to get 11,000 steps, active hours, at least 10, and so on and so forth. So it gives you a whole bunch of goals, and those goals get harder and harder the more you wear the ring and the more fitter you get. So again, quite motivational seeing you complete tasks, the daily tasks. When you achieve the goals, you do feel good about yourself. So that's great. You've got events over here, and you can log events such as workouts, food, sleep, activity, weight, and so on and so forth. And then finally at the bottom, you've got your ring battery information, and you can see the ring is currently at 42%. Now, another benefit of this smart ring is there is no app subscription. So you're not paying any monthly fee to use the Ultrahuman app. Now, the leading competitor, Aura Ring Gen 3, requires a monthly fee to use their app, which is absolutely ridiculous. Once you buy a smart ring, the app should be free, and Ultrahuman has definitely got that one right. Now, throughout my tests for this ring, I actually wore my Apple Watch as well, and I wore another smart ring, which I don't want to mention at this stage. It's just so I can compare the results of all three on a daily basis. The Ultrahuman Ring Air sleep tracking was more or less on par with my Apple Watch. It gave me clear figures on how long I was in bed for, how long I slept, sleep efficiency, restfulness, total sleep, and lots more. So very detailed sleep tracking, as I showed you on the app earlier. Unfortunately, blood oxygen saturation is only monitored whilst you're sleeping, and it only gives you an average for that night. So SpO2, take it with a pinch of salt. I don't think the SpO2 is doing its job correctly. So there you have it, guys. That was the Ultrahuman Ring Air. The health tracking is more detailed than any other smart ring that I have ever used. Step counter, heart rate, stress, temperature monitoring, all spot on accurate compared with my Apple Watch. The vast features, detailed reports, and motivational goals makes this a very desirable smart ring. I especially appreciate the detailed sleep tracking and reports. I really like that you can select workouts. The recovery score and movement reports are fantastic. Battery life is very good. You can expect to achieve up to 6 days max. Realistically, I was achieving just over 5 days, and that was me working out on a daily basis around 60 minutes. The smartphone app is laid out beautifully, giving you all the information you need. Detailed health metrics laid out, very simple and easy to use. The best thing about this smart ring is you don't need to do anything for it to work. As I mentioned earlier, just wear it. Open the box, make sure it's charged, wear the ring, download the app and follow the instructions, and it's ready. The ring and its vast sensors will monitor everything you do and produce easy to follow reports, and also effectively telling you how to improve your overall health. It's like having a fitness expert with you at all times, and seeing what the Ultrahuman ring can do, I can certainly say that smart rings are the future and could someday replace smart fitness watches. So that concludes this video. If you want to see more of my latest and greatest unbiased tech reviews, hit the like button, sub to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Peace.